Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how you can actually short and earn money. Like every shot you watch, you're gonna earn up to $20. Yeah. Don't get me wrong, it's not gonna make you a millionaire, but it's good. You get here and there by the side and never know. So how do you actually go about this? That is what this video is all about. How you can watch YouTube shorts and earn. That's what it's all about. So stay with me. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, just please subscribe and stick with me. And I'm going to show you step by step how this can be done. Here we are on YouTube platform. The very first thing you would need to do is come to YouTube and search for YouTube Short. There are millions of views that YouTube Shorts get, but you have to be sure of those content that get a lot of views. So what do we need to do here? We're going to search for shorts. Let's go ahead and search for hashtag shorts. That's what we're going to do. We're going to click on hashtag shorts. So when you click on that, let's go with shorts Minecraft and see the kind of videos they have when it comes to this topic. Go down and see. Wow, you can see this short Minecraft is got videos that have lots of views. This one got 192 million views. This one got 552. This one 40 million. A lot of views that this Minecraft short videos are getting. So what we need to do, this is 123 million views, this one here. So this Minecraft, I think many people like this kind of video. So we're gonna go particular channel that shows Minecraft videos that is really so popular. So let me type that channel in and let's see the kind of content we're going to get from that channel. So I'm gonna type in okay, so I'm gonna go with this channel. Let's see the kind of shorts this channel has. Let's click on it and Minecraft shorts. So we'll get a better view of all the shorts. Right, I'm gonna grab one of these videos and go to another channel. I'm going to do 3 steps whereby you can use this YouTube short to make money. We're gonna grab the video. How do we get the video? I will show you in a minute how you can get the video. So we're going to get to YouTube and search for most popular Minecraft videos and see the kind of videos we're going to get. All right, so here we are in check this one that is 192 million. You can see the video has lots of views. What do? We're going to share this video. We're going to click on share. This one here. We'll click on this because we want to copy the link of this video. And when we copy the link, it's to a different platform to shorten the link. Now let's go ahead and copy. This is what we are copying. This one I highlighted here. So you click over here that says copy. Now we've copied it to clipboard. You can see here copy, link copied to clipboard. So we have the link of the video. Right. So we're going to go to shorten the URL. This is shrink N. Shrink N. That is what this platform. The link we copied from YouTube video, the link of that YouTube video that we copied, we are bringing it to shrink N. Shrink N platform where you paste the link of the shorts and you shorten the link. Now, when you shorten the link, you're going to take that link to different platforms and paste the link. In the sense that anybody that watches that YouTube short via your shortened link, you will get paid. If you get, let me click on the dashboard and, okay, this is the dashboard here. Let me click on this here to show you, right? So when you check here, You can see it says shorten URLs and earn money. The way you earn the money is you use their platform to shorten the URL of the short video. And now, when people watch it or you watch it yourself, there are two ways you can earn the money. It's either you watch the YouTube videos yourself and you earn money, or you paste the video elsewhere in other platforms and other people will watch the video, then you earn money. Now, it says highest paying URL shortener of 2024. Join now and earn up to $20 per 1,000 visits. Earn, and you're watching videos like you're just watching them, yeah. And at the end of the day, you don't even know that you're making a lot of money. So what we do, the link we copied, remember we copied a link. So let's click on to check out the platform. This is publisher rates. On this platform here, you will see a lot of information. Minimum payout is $4. Payment frequency is daily. So they pay daily. Payment method, this is where I'm reading. This one here, you can see payment method, PayPal, web money, Payer, ATM, Paysera, Perfect Money, and UPI. These are their payment methods. Now, payment frequency, you can see the payment frequency daily, minimum payment here, $4. Now, you will check here, it says earnings per 1,000 views. 1,000 views, these are what you're going to earn according to the country, package description per country. So you have to check here how much you're eligible to earn based on your country. You would have to check for your country. Even people that live in Africa will need to paste the link that we have copied because we want to shorten that link. So what we do, we're going to go here, click dashboard. If you have questions, you go to frequently asked questions and you put your question. Now we are here. We're going to click on this one here that says new shorten link. Let's click on that. And here, you're going to put your URL here. So you're going to paste that link that you copied. This is the link. Remember, the link we got from the YouTube video, the YouTube short video. Now we're going to click on shorten. So this is our new link now, the shortened link. So if we copy this link and we paste this link, I'm going to show you the platforms that you can use this link on. So we're going to go ahead and copy this link. It's either you right click and copy, or you click here that says copy. So we've copied the link. Now we're going to take and go to platforms. Minecraft. All you need to do, go to Google, you type in Forum. This is it here. This is Minecraft Forum, this here. So you type it in and you click on enter. Right, so this is it. You click on Minecraft Forum. This is the forum here. So when you come to this forum, they have a lot of forums here. Now what you will do, click on forum here, and you click on forum here, you start engaging. You paste your link. You look, there are different forums, different segments, mapping and modeling, Java edition. This is the forum. You go down a little bit more. Servers, Java edition. This is another forum. Minecraft. This is the forum here. So you can see that there are so many forums that you can start engaging and pasting your shortened link. Remember, the way you earn the money is you paste your shortened link. People help you watch the video. You get paid because you are the one who went to shrink and earn to shorten the link. And you have copied the link to paste in this Minecraft forum. So when people watch the video, you will get paid the commission, or you can watch the YouTube shorts yourself. Remember, this video already is popular, already is getting a lot of 194, 198 million views we're talking about here. So already the video is popular, already people like the video, already people are resonating with that content. So it makes it easy that you paste it and people would also want to watch it. Now I'm going to show you another platform that you can use to paste your link. Now the next platform we're going to go to is Facebook. Yes. So Facebook, you're going to come here and you Minecraft groups. So when you type Minecraft groups, you see this one here, you click on it. When you click on it, it's going to show you different groups. Look at it here, different groups as regard to Minecraft. So click on see all here. And this one is Minecraft community. It's got 449,000 members. Yes. So many people are already engaging with this group. So all you need to do, you join the group. If it's the one that you don't need to join, you visit the group, you start interacting, start pasting your shortened link. And people from the forums will watch your short content. Remember, it's short video. They'll start watching your content and you start earning your money. So these are the two ways I want to show you. I'm going to show you another way. Another way is referral. So in as much as shortening the links to paste in Minecraft forum and to paste in Minecraft groups on Facebook, you can also refer people and you also get, you also earn. So let's go back to that dashboard. You can see here, it says referrals. If we click on this referrals under shrink earn, you see here, you can actually refer people. Look at here what it says. It says referrals. You can see here, it said the shrink earn referral program is a great way you spread the word of this great service to earn even more money with your short links. Refer friends and receive 20% of their earnings for life. Does it get better than this? You refer people, you refer your friends, and you receive 20% of their earnings for life. In this case, they will be earning, and you also who refer them will also be earning. And this is not just a one-time thing or a one-year thing. No, it is for life. This is good. This is good. Now, when you check here, there are banners here that you can use. It says referral banners here. You can click on the banners and check them out. Look at the banners you can use. It's just like when you're doing affiliate marketing. You go to the affiliate support page. They have banners, email swipes. You can use them. They have already the template of landing pages that you can use to support the product that you want to promote. This is exactly what it's all about here. So they already have referral banners here that you can actually access to help you promote this. You see, if say I want to promote this now, I have access to the banner. It says shrink earn money by URLs. It's a minimum highest paying URL shortener, earn up to. You see, join now. So all I need to do is just to save this and use it as my banner. Right. So guys, this is it. And yeah, I hope you're gonna try this. I hope you're gonna try it. This is a very easy way to make money, more especially if you want to make money by the side. Yes, it's good. Think about this for this 2024 that is coming. There are so many avenues. This is definitely one of those avenues that you can just be making money. So guys, this is all I have for us for today. I hope you like this video. Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell notification so that whenever I upload any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Don't forget to like this content so that YouTube will push it for more people to see. And Thank you so much for all this support. I hope to see you in my next video. Take care.